Bang! What's up, YouTube? Murtacus back here, bringing you guys another video of my SLK. Looks pretty good, got the top down. Super nice weather today. I will just go for a POV drive. This is gonna be my second video with the POV. If you are interested in this car, reach out to me on my Instagram at Murtacus. I'm looking to sell it. It's got 82,000 miles, just about 82,000 pretty soon. Did oil change, new front tires. It's running really good. Got a custom air intake. I might put it back to stock, but let's just get into it. Yeah. This car is a lot of fun, especially if you're a younger person. Inline 4 engine, so it's pretty good on gas. I just filled up. It's like 30 bucks. And yeah, sounds really good with this air intake. Give you guys some clips of that. Oh, there's some people coming. Let me go. Oh yeah, I mean, hear that? You hear that? I believe that's the supercharger whoosh. That's what I like to call it. Wow, nice cabriolet Porsche right there. That was nice. Car feels super solid. German engineering. The interior is a little, you know, worn. It's a 1998 car. It's over 25 years old. But at least in my state, I slapped on historic tags, no inspection. I take it to car shows and stuff. That's what it's meant to be used for, with the historic tags. So, I mean, like I said, 81,984 miles on the dash, and it stays like normal temp, knock on leather. I mean, I checked the coolant, no leaks. Mercedes does such a good job with their engineering. I mean, this thing is really such a tank. The 5-speed transmission's very smooth, and it just handles so, like, it's a mix between sporty and comfort. Definitely more than a BMW. BMWs are, I'd say, pretty sporty with just about everything. But let me give you guys another rip. I mean, this thing hauls really good, and the visibility is really good as well, especially when you're the driver. And even in the passenger seat feels really nice too. I'm definitely a fan of this SLK platform. I think this is honestly probably the best one in terms of what could go wrong. I was looking at the newer ones. The engines are bigger, so it's a lot harder. You know, there's less space to work on it. But man, look at the scenery too. This is a really nice summer car. It's rear-wheel drive. I don't know if they have an all-wheel drive model, but this is my first rear-wheel drive car, and man, I'm a fan now of rear-wheel drive cars, for sure. It's got about 190 horsepower. Wow, look at that boat. That's nice. I mean, this thing just goes. Got a really good deal on it too. Shout out to the guy that sold it to me. But this was a California car. It was shipped to New Jersey, then shipped down to DC. And it's got like pretty much no rust. I looked underneath it, almost pretty much no rust that I could see visibly, which is a really good thing, even on the frame, because that is an issue with these 1998 cars, is the rust. So I'm super happy that that it worked out for me. and it is so nice. I get so many people looking at me just because I guess it's a convertible. We'll go this way. It's got a really nice stock exhaust as well, very throaty. And the supercharger is on this car specifically is just really, you know, I think that takes it to the next level in terms of the drivetrain. Because when that supercharger kicks in, I mean, this car just goes. I was on the highway and man, this thing is a highway cruiser. Very planted, it felt very just secure. Like I haven't driven a Miata, but I'm assuming this probably feels more solid than a Miata, but I can't comment because I haven't driven one. The only thing I wish I did get was this car in manual. If I got this car in manual, I'd probably keep it. But like I said, I've actually I think you can transfer a manual swap to this fairly easy. I looked on the forums, it looked like it was not like a hard procedure. But I love that intake mod I did. The sound just adds to the driving experience for sure. Other than that, you can upgrade the supercharger pulley. That'll give you like another 50 horsepower. That's like $1,000. I don't know if I want to do that. Probably just gonna keep it stock for the time being and just enjoy it. A low mileage Mercedes is, I consider this low mileage, under 100,000. It is finito. Very finito. And I think the drop top experience, I am a huge fan of convertibles now. I mean, I can't really see myself without a convertible car in the garage. Don't mind that sound. It will go away shortly. That's just because I had to manually put the top down. The automatic, you know, system, it was leaking. But I mean, don't let that discourage you from picking one of these up, because even with that issue, this car is still a solid car for sure. Oh my gosh. That was like a quarter throttle, and you're getting all that, you know, experience. From a dig, this car is actually really good from a dig. As long as it's dry outside. I will say you gotta drive very careful in the rain. It slides out a lot, but it is very easy to control. And the steering is just nice too. It's got nice steering. And the other good thing about this car, especially when you're in the low RPM ranges, it just uses the inline 4, so you're conserving a good amount of gas, which is super nice. But yeah, I will say with the top down, you do not get that much trunk space. That is kind of like a thing that sucks about it. But as long as you pack light, like if I were to travel somewhere, I could probably only bring one suitcase and like my laptop thing, and that's it. Like no one else could bring their luggage, so that's kind of a bummer. But for a young person, this is great. What was that guy doing? But yeah, YouTube, I'm really enjoying the car. I'm gonna turn around right here. Like I said, the visibility is really good. this is I'm a Mercedes fan now. I honestly prefer it a little bit more than BMW. I had such a poor experience with my BMW 328. It's problem after problem. That was a newer car too, 2008 3 Series. But I will say, just the combination of the weight and the horsepower is honestly perfect. Feels really good. But comment down below what you guys think, and yeah, like what kind of mods should I do for this. I might get new headlights. I saw some ones on Amazon for 200, and then they looked way more modern than the ones that were on here. It was like a one-piece setup. These are 2 pieces, the ones that I have on, if you look at the beginning of the video. But yeah, I'm just enjoying the Mercedes-Benz experience for sure. If you find one of these in your area, I'd definitely check it out. Like I said, I'm on a forum and I see a lot of them hitting 200,000 miles. Same engine, same transmission. They also use this engine, I believe, in the C-Class as well. So this was a popular power plant that their Mercedes was using at the time. And I don't know what the 0 to 60 is, but it's pretty fast. Because I mean, what was I doing? Like I don't know. I'm just saying, like from like a green light perspective, light turns green, I'm first. Like I'm gapping people, honestly. But yeah, I mean, beautiful day out. Just had to make a quick video. I'm gonna, post this up on YouTube. Shout out to all the supporters. Hope everyone's doing well. And yeah, I still have the Prius. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I haven't really driven it since I got this car, to be honest. I've just been having too much fun with this car. But yeah, guys, look at that open top experience. I'll just give you guys like a side view. Wow, look at those houses. This is a common road I like to do my videos on. But those houses are sweet. Ooh, nice S-Class. That's a speed camera. It's a mean looking speed camera. It's like the tower from like Lord of the Rings, you know what I mean? The Eye of Sauron. That's what it reminds me of when I see that. But yeah, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new. Helps my channel out. I'm trying to get to 10K subscribers. And yeah, we'll just keep on making some car content. I'm really liking the car content. Kind of want to do a travel vlog. So we will see. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.